Hello friends, welcome to our channel SGTN's online tutorial. Today we will continue with exercise 11.4 of chapter 11 of standard 8th. Exercise 11.4. Now before starting exercise 11.4, we have to recall some of the formulas. The first formula is volume of cube, it will be L cube. Second formula, it will be volume of cuboid, that is length into breadth into height, and volume of cylinder, it will be pi r square h. So now let's start with exercise number 11.4. Okay, question number 1. Given a cylindrical tank, in which situation will you find surface area, in which situation volume? मीन्स एक सिलेंड्रिकल टैंक दिया हुआ है और यहाँ पे अलग अलग सिचुएशंस दी हुई है. देखो 1 2 3, हमें ये बताना है कि हम किस में सरफेस एरिया निकालेंगे और किस में वॉल्यूम निकालेंगे. इफ़ वी हैव टू फाइंड हाउ मच इट विल होल्ड, तो क्वांटिटी की बात आ गई. सो इन दिस केस वी विल फाइंड वॉल्यूम. ओके. नंबर ऑफ सीमेंट बैग्स रिक्वायर्ड टू प्लास्टर इट. अब प्लास्टर जो लगेगा वो आउटसाइड में लगेगा, ठीक है, पूरे इसके बाहर के सरफेस पे लगेगा. सो इन दिस केस वी हैव टू फाइंड सरफेस एरिया. इन दिस केस we will find surface area. Third case given over here is to find the number of small tanks that can be filled with water from it. तो बिग टैंक में से पानी निकालकर स्मॉल टैंक में डालना है. तो यहाँ पर भी हमें क्वांटिटी की बात आ गई तो हम वॉल्यूम निकालेंगे. Here we will find volume. Okay, next question. Okay, question number 2. Diameter of a cylinder is 7 centimeter and height is 14 centimeter. This is 7 and this is 14. Diameter of cylinder B is 14 and height is 7. This is cylinder B. Diameter is 14 and height is 7. Without doing any calculation, can you suggest whose volume is greater? Okay. Further question is there, we will discuss this later on. So first of all, if you will look both of this figure, here diameter is 7 and height is 14, and here diameter is 14 and height is 7. Okay, so radius and heights are interchange. Okay, so in this case जिसका रेडियस बड़ा होगा उसका वॉल्यूम ज़्यादा होगा. Let's check out. Radius of cylinder A. Okay, it will be 7 divided by 2. So it will be 3.5 centimeter. And radius of cylinder B. So it will be 14 divided by 2. So 7 centimeter. Okay, so using this point we can write, therefore whose volume is greater? Volume of cylinder B is greater. Now what is asked? Verify it by finding volume of both the cases. So verifying the volume of both the cylinder. Okay, volume of cylinder A. So it will be pi r square h. So this will be 22 upon 7. Okay, radius is 3.5, so it will be 3.5 into 3.5 because it is r square, एंड हाइट गिवन इज 14। अगर 7 और 14 को हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो 22 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3.5 इंटू 3.5 इंटू 2, 7 2 ज़ा 14. So 22 2 ज़ा it will be 44. Multiply by 3.5 into 3.5, so it will be 12.25. If you multiply both of this, you will get 539. It is cube, so we will write centimeter cube. Okay. Now same method we will find volume of cylinder B. Volume of cylinder B. So it will be pi r square h. So 22 upon 7. Radius will be 7. So 7 into 7, and height given over here is 7. So it will be 7. 7 7 gone. So what remain over here is 22 multiplied by 49. So if you multiply 22 by 49, you will get 1078 centimeter cube. So now the volume of first cylinder is 539, volume of second cylinder is 1078. Therefore volume of cylinder B is greater. Okay. Now check whether the cylinder with greater volume has greater surface area. So we will write surface area of cylinder A. So surface area की फॉर्मूला क्या थी? 2 pi r into bracket r plus h. So 2 multiply by 22 upon 7. फर्स्ट का रेडियस कितना था? 3.5. So we will write 3.5. अगेन रेडियस की वैल्यू 3.5 और हाइट यहाँ पर दिया गया है, दैट इज 14. Okay, if we will solve with this, so 7 divided by 3.5, so you will get 0.5. Okay, height was 14, so 14 plus 3, it will be 17.5. चलिए 2 5s are 10, 1 decimal multiply by 17.5, so 22 1s are 22 multiply by 17.5. So 22 multiplied by 17.5, it will be 385 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, क्योंकि ये सरफेस एरिया इसलिए हम स्क्वायर लिखेंगे. अब सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर बी, सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर बी. ठीक है, तो फॉर्मूला यही लिखेंगे हम, 2 पाई आर इंटू ब्रैकेट r plus h. So 2 multiply by 22 upon 7. सेकंड का रेडियस था 7 और हाइट थी 7. ठीक है, सो 22 7 7 कट, सो 22 2 ज़ा 44 multiply by 7 plus 7, it will be 14. So if you calculate 44 multiplied by 14, you will get 616 centimeter square. So if you compare both of the area, surface area of cylinder B is greater. Therefore surface area of cylinder B is greater. One more thing was asked, check whether the cylinder with greater volume has greater surface area. So you will write yes, the cylinder with greater volume has greater surface area, greater surface area. Sum was little bit lengthy but it's easy. ध्यान से करोगे तो आंसर फटाफट निकल जाएगा. Question number 3. Find the height of a cuboid whose base area is 180 centimeter and volume is 900 centimeter square. अब स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आप एक सिलेंडर कंसीडर करेंगे तो सिलेंडर का जो बेस और टॉप दिया होता है वो सर्कल होता है. ठीक है, तो इस हिसाब से बेस एरिया इज 180 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. तो बेस एरिया होता है पाई आर स्क्वायर. पाई आर स्क्वायर कितना दिया हुआ है? 180 सेंटीमीटर. अच्छा, वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर वो कितना होता है? पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. ठीक है, पाई आर स्क्वायर एच होता है. अब वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ सिलेंडर दिया हुआ है, कितना दिया हुआ है? दैट इज 900 ओके सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. 900 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. पाई आर स्क्वायर मतलब एरिया मल्टीप्लाई बाय हाइट. सो 900 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब एरिया दिया हुआ है, कितना दिया हुआ है? 180 मल्टीप्लाई बाय एच. ओके, सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. तो हाइट अगर हमें ढूंढना है तो 900 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब डिवाइड बाय 180 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. ये गया 0 0 गॉन. 18 5 90. So 5 centimeter is the height. Therefore, height of cylinder is 5 centimeter. Okay. Question number 4. A cuboid is of dimension 60 centimeter by 54 centimeter by 30 centimeter. How many small cubes with side 6 centimeter can be placed in the given cuboid? So first of all, we will find volume of this bigger cuboid. Volume of bigger cuboid. So वॉल्यूम होगा L into B into H. So it will be 60 centimeter into 54 centimeter into 30 centimeter. तो इसको हम कैलकुलेट नहीं करेंगे, इसको हम ऐसे ही रखेंगे क्योंकि अभी हमारा सम आगे बाकी है. तो इससे आपका कैलकुलेशन का टाइम बच जाएगा. सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. अब वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्मॉलर क्यूबॉइड, सो दिस विल बी L क्यूब. अब L कितना दिया हुआ है? 6 दिया हुआ है. सो 6 सेंटीमीटर इंटू 6 सेंटीमीटर इंटू 6 सेंटीमीटर. सो 6 इंटू 6 इंटू 6 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. इसको भी हम कैलकुलेट नहीं करेंगे टू सेव आवर टाइम. Now, number of cuboids. That can be placed. It will be this divided by this. Bigger volume divided by smaller volume. 60 multiplied by 54 multiplied by 30 centimeter cube upon 6 into 6 into 6 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. सेंटीमीटर गॉन. ठीक है, 6 5 ज़ा 30, 6 9 ज़ा 54, 6 10 ज़ा 60. So 9 5 ज़ा 45. So here we will write 450. This is our answer. Therefore 450 small cubes, 450 small cubes can be placed in the given cuboid. Okay. Question number 5. Find the height of the cylinder whose volume is 1.54 meter cube and diameter of the base is 140 centimeter. So we will note down the things which are given. So first thing is given with us is volume, that is 1.4 meter cube. Then diameter is given. Diameter is given 140 centimeter. So first we will find radius. So 140 divided by 2, that is 70 centimeter, and we will convert this into meter. So 70 upon 100, 0 gone, so 7 upon 10 meter. Now volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h. Volume is given how much? 1.54 meter cube. 22 upon 7. Radius is 7 upon 10 into 7 upon 10, and height we have to find out. See, 7 gone. 1.54 means 154 upon 100. This we will shift over here. 10 multiplied by 10 means reciprocal, and 22, and this will be 7. Okay, 0 gone, 0 gone. 22 7 gone. So 1 will be your height. It was in meter cube, here also it is meter, so here also will keep meter. Therefore height of cylinder is 1 meter. Question number 6. A milk tank is in the form of a cylinder whose radius is 1.5 meter and length is 7 meter. Find the quantity of milk in liters. Okay, so first we will find the volume and then we will convert it into liters. Answer number 6. Volume of cylinder pi r square h. So 22 upon 7. Radius given is 1.5. So 1.5 into 1.5. Height given over here is 7. 7 gone. What remains with us is 22 multiplied by 1.5 into 1.5. So this will be 22. 15 15s are 225. 1 decimal over here, 1 decimal over here. So 2 decimals, we will keep a point over here. So this answer will be 49.5 meter cube. Now 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liters. Therefore 49.5 meter cube will be 49.5 multiplied by 1000. So ignoring the decimals, we will keep 3 zeros over here. Here 1 decimal place is there, so we'll keep a decimal over here. So 49500 liters. Find the quantity of milk in liters that can be stored in the tank. Therefore 49500 liters of milk can be stored in the tank. Okay, next question. Question 7. If the edge of a cube is doubled, how many times will its surface area increase? And second question, how many times its volume will increase? So answer number 7. First, that is surface area. Side given over here is, let it be 1 centimeter. We have supposed it. Suppose height is, side is 1 centimeter. So surface area will be 6L square. So 6 multiplied by 1 square. So 6 multiplied by 1, that is 6 centimeter square. If side is doubled, if side is doubled, हमने 1 सपोज किया था, तो 1 का डबल 2 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, so surface area will be 6L square. 6 multiplied by 2 square, so 6 multiplied by 4, so it is 24 centimeter square. 6 की टेबल में 24 कब आता है? 6 4s. Therefore surface area increases 4 times. Now we will find the volume. Okay, so let side equals to 1 centimeter, volume of cube is equals to L cube. So 1 centimeter cube, it will be 1 centimeter cube. If side is doubled, therefore side equals to 2 centimeter. So volume will be L cube. So 2 centimeter cube, so it will be 8 centimeter cube. 1 की टेबल में 8 कब आता है? 8 सा. So volume increases 8 times. Therefore volume increases 8 times. Okay, moving ahead to next one. Question number 8. Water is pouring into a cuboidal reservoir at the rate of 60 liters per minute. मतलब 1 मिनट में 60 लीटर्स पानी उसमें गिरता है. If volume of reservoir is 108 meter cube, volume इसमें दिया हुआ है. Find the number of hours it will take to fill the reservoir. So first thing we will do is volume of reservoir is 108 meter cube. We will convert this into liters, so it will be 1000. So 108,000 liters. Okay, to fill 60 liters it takes how many minutes? 1 minute. Therefore to fill 108,000 liters, it will take 108,000 divided by 60. 0 gone. Okay, 6 1 जा 6, 6 8 जा 48, 2 more 0 minutes. And if you have to convert this into hours, so upon 60, so 0 gone, so it will be 30 hours. Okay, therefore total time taken is 30 hours. So this is how our exercise number 11.4 comes to an